Hello students, let us continue with class 11 maths topic straight lines. We discussed that the standard form of the equation of a straight line is this. Next, this another form was the point slope form. Jot point eta diya asile x1 y1 aru slope diya asile ki m. Next is the 2-point form. Duta point diya ase x1 y1 aru x2 y2, and third is the slope intercept form where slope and intercepts are given. We also discussed the intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So all these forms have been discussed in the previous videos. Eti eta form thaki gol ki normal form. This is actually very important and very a little bit more complicated than all the other forms. Okay, so let us start. Etu formot ki dia thake amak jitu y axis x axis already known to us. This is the required line say ei line to amar ulabo lage je etu equation to kiman hobo. Ei line to karone duta parameter dia thakibo. Eta parameter ki hobo, origin tur pora ei line to le jodi ami eta perpendicular drop koru. Suppose this is o, this is p and this is 90 degree. Ei op length to amak dia thakibo as small letter p. Aru OPA x axis er logot kiman angle banai ase, that angle is also given to us. So with this two information we will have to derive the equation of the straight line. Let us see how. Suppose we consider this point to be A and this point to be B. Tele eta bostu notice koriba, in this triangle this is 90, this is alpha. So etu hoy gol hypotenuse, etu hoy gol base, etu hoy gol perpendicular. So a triangle jodi ami sin alpha olabo bisaru, if we want to find out sin alpha, কি হবো sin alpha equal to AP by OA আৰু cos alpha কি হবো, cos alpha will be OP by OA. So sin alpha to আমাৰ ইমান এটা দৰকাৰ নাই বৰ্তমান, so আমি cos alpha টো ইউজ কৰিম. cos alpha পৰা আমি কি ওলাব পাৰিম, OA equal to কি হৈ যাব OP by cos alpha. কিন্তু OP কি আছিলে, OP was small letter p যেটা আমি অলরেডি কনসিডার কৰিছিলো. সো আমি O এর ভ্যালুটো এটু পাই গলো. Similarly, if you consider triangle OBP, triangle OBP to যদি আমি কনসিডার কৰো, যদি এইটো alpha হয়, if this angle is alpha, suppose we already know that this angle is alpha, it is given to us. So A angle to কি হৈ যাব, this angle will be 90 minus alpha. This angle is going to be 90 degree minus alpha. Kyo? Because it gote to 90 degree hoy. So 90 degree por jodi ami alpha to deduct korim, will end up getting 90 minus alpha. No issues. Etia a triangle to dako yar nisna ami kaam korim. Ji koisilu yate. A triangle to karone this is 90. So this is our base, this is our hypotenuse, this is our perpendicular. So ami ki koribo paru, yar karone ami cos 90 degree minus alpha likhibo paru. Cos 90 minus alpha korle ki ahibo, base মানে OP by hypotenuse, hypotenuse কি হবো OB. so ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি কি লিখিব পাৰো, OB equal to OP by cos 90 minus alpha কি হয়, sin alpha. so this becomes sin alpha আৰু OP ৰ জায়গাত আমি sin alpha লিখি দিব পাৰো, because OP was P, that is already known to us. এতিয়া এটা ইন্টারেস্টিং বস্তু আমি অবজার্ভ কৰিব পাৰো কি, যে এই লেন্থটো হৈ গল আমাৰ this p by cos alpha. so এই পয়েন্টৰ কোঅর্ডিনেটস কি হ'ব, this point will have coordinates p by cos alpha, 0. likewise b পয়েন্টৰ কোঅর্ডিনেটস কি হৈ যাব, 0 p by sin alpha. in other words এই লাইনটোৰ x ইন্টারসেপ্ট হ'ব p by cos alpha, y ইন্টারসেপ্ট হ'ব p by sin alpha. so আমি এই ইন্টারসেপ্ট ফর্মটো আকৌ ইউজ কৰি দিও ইয়াৰ কাৰণে. so ইন্টারসেপ্ট ফর্ম তৈয়াৰ কৰি ইকুয়েশন কি লিখিম আমি, x by OA plus y by OB should be equal to 1, or x by OA এর জায়গাত কি লিখিম, p by cos alpha plus y by p by sin alpha equal to 1. simplifying this we get x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. So this is the required equation of a straight line in normal form. Now this is a very important equation because we shall be using this in a number of cases in both JEE as well as in boards. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you.